I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Glinda-inspired tumbler. We are going to use the Wicked Awesome bundle from Resin Rockers that includes 2 DTFs. It comes with the quick drip formulas. It also comes with 2 tumblers to make this amazing duo. So I'm going to show you the process from start to finish and what we do with it. All right, so first we're going to prep our tumbler. This is a double-walled insulated tumbler. It's perfect for coffee. We're just going to lightly sand it and put alcohol on it to clean it really, really well. Then I'm actually using skim coat. Now you can use glitter skim if you want, or you can use regular skim coat. This is a UV resin that's perfect for thin coats, and it's amazing for applying and sealing in your glitter. So I'm doing this before I actually epoxy it. This is going to pull in the glitter that I'm using, and it's going to help adhere it to the tumbler without having to wait for the epoxy to cure. This helps to save a few hours, especially when you're trying to get these tumblers done in one day. Now we're going in with Mr. Snow Jangles, one of our iridescent glitters. This is just enough white sparkle on this tumbler to give it a little bit of pizzazz before we add that DTF. So I'm coating it lightly all over, and then we're going to put it into the Magic Cure and we are going to cure it. I am going to cure this for about 2 minutes on all sides at 48 watts. Now we're going to use Fast Finish, which is our fast set formula of epoxy. We're going to do about 20 mLs for this tumbler, and I'm stirring both A and B in equal parts. And then we're going to go ahead and layer it on top of this tumbler. Now, since this is a fast setting formula, this will only give you about 15 minutes of working time, so you do have to move pretty quick. This will start to cure in about that 15 minutes, but it should be completely pettable in less than 2 hours. So as long as you're working around 75-degree temperature, low humidity, you should be able to achieve that full cure in under 2 hours. I will let this finish curing for about 4 to 6 hours before I apply my DTF. Here it is after I've applied some heat, getting rid of any bubbles that had to surface. And now it's time to go ahead and apply that DTF. I'm using a noodle cuff, which we sell in our shop. This is perfect for lining up everything to keep it nice and even. We're going to go ahead and apply this DTF and use a burnishing tool to make sure there aren't any air bubbles or any gaps between the tumbler and the DTF. Now we're going to peel it away for the big reveal. This particular DTF is from 216 Tumblers. She does an amazing job on her DTFs. This turned out so adorable. She designed this just for us. And once you peel that away, you're left with a permanent decal that looks amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our quick drip. And for this, we're using Tickled Pink Quick Drip from Resin Rockers. So we're going to apply it all the way around in a circular motion, and then we're going to just tap, tap, tap until that drip starts to happen. If you want a longer drip in certain areas, you're just going to add more UV resin to the top, and again, tap, tap, tap. If you notice any air bubbles that tend to surface, you're going to just hit them with a lighter really quick, but it's important to control that drip. So we're going to use the Resin Rockers pocket lamp to stop that drip in its entirety, just to make sure that it doesn't continue running when we put it under the lamp. We want it to be nice and even. So I'm just going to go around with my pocket lamp and set the quick drip, but this is not going to cure it fully. After this, we're going to put it into the Magic Cure for about 2 minutes at that 48 watts and let that cure completely finish until it's nice and rock solid. This is what you're left with when you're done. It looks so cute. These are so fun to make. We'll be making the green one next so you guys can see how to do it. But these are very, very easy to make and such a good conversation starter. Have fun.